Well, hello, this is Donna Backman, and we are on the road with Songs and Stories and Information Fair. And we are here today at the beautiful Hearth in Hendersonville. Woo! And we're going to have a link to some great music from Rick Applegate. But right now, we're going to be talking about a special program that they're doing here in Hendersonville at the Hearth, and that is a BYOB. Let's see the sign, Pat. BYOB, bring your own spray bottle. We're here with Pat Whistle and Soni Bell from the Hearth, and we also have our own wonderful Michelle Price. You can see her behind the mask. So let's hear a little bit about what you guys are doing over here.
All right, and I'm going to move this down here just a little bit so you can understand me. At the Hearth, we have installed a solution called Viking Cure. We make it right here so we never run out of it. We have the resources, so this solution attacks viruses. It is green, it is EPA certified, it is hospital grade, and because we make it ourselves, we want to share. So we are inviting everybody to bring their spray bottle. We will fill it up with our Viking Cure sanitizer, as Soni will demonstrate.
Yeah.
And if you don't have your own spray bottle, no worries. We have one with your name on it. So we want to share and keep everybody safe as we can. So thanks for coming, Donna and Michelle.
Well, thank you for having us. This is a great idea and a wonderful way for our seniors to stay safe during this time. We hope you'll stop by. We're going to have links along with this video, and we'll let you know when you can come in and get your own spray bottle.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you. Have a great day, everyone.
You too.